In a world where opportunity hides in plain sight, one man had the rare gift of seeing what others overlooked. Peter Lynch, master of the Magellan Fund, walked these streets and noticed something simple, yet profound. Everywhere he went, Dunkin was thriving. Lines out the door, a community of loyal customers, an expanding footprint that hinted at more than just a passing fad. To Lynch, this wasn't just coffee. It was a signal, a whisper of a story waiting to be told. He dove into the numbers. Revenue growing steadily. A simple, scalable model. Franchises that multiplied without breaking the system. A balance sheet strong enough to weather storms, yet flexible enough to fuel expansion. Every metric confirmed his instinct. This was no ordinary company. This was a fast grower. With calculated courage, he acted. At a valuation the market hadn't fully grasped, he invested. He saw not just a donut shop, but a vision. A nation craving convenience, comfort, and familiarity. One coffee cup at a time. Over time, Dunkin didn't just grow, it flourished. From a local favorite to a nationwide powerhouse, the brand evolved into a multi-billion-dollar empire. Those who recognized the story early and had the patience to hold on were rewarded beyond imagination. A simple observation had transformed into extraordinary wealth. In the end, Peter Lynch taught us this: the seeds of opportunity are everywhere. You just have to notice them. And when you do, follow the story. Let the numbers guide you, and watch the ordinary become extraordinary.